Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys have had a great month here so far. I am back with another video. Just wanted to let you know I'm here in Niagara Falls, Ontario. As you can see behind me here, I'm here for the Keyspire Real Estate Summit again. Now you might have seen that in some other videos, me talking about the Keyspire Real Estate Summit. It is an event with over 500 active investors in the Canadian market here, and we're super pumped that we're back here again showing off Vancouver, and of course being in such a beautiful location like Niagara Falls. So why do we like coming to the Keyspire Real Estate Summit? Well, it's a very simple reason. We love showing off Vancouver to investors across Canada. And right now we're more than excited because it's never been a better time to be investing in real estate in the Vancouver market. Now, there's been a lot of media talk right now, and I'm sure you guys have seen it, with the market dropping, prices going down. But at the end of the day, that's a great thing for investors. If you're thinking about buying right now, now's the opportunity. We have had prices that have come down, that's true. But at the same time, we also had prices that went up over 30% on average for the last 2 years. So really, it's still above where it used to be. Now, Vancouver's always been a very stable investment area. What do I mean by that? Well, we have our highs, we have our lows, but the general trend is always going up. So why not invest right now in a market that's dipped slightly, knowing that in the long run, you're likely gonna have a gain? Now, the biggest reason why I think that Vancouver is great for investment right now is with the prices coming down. That's awesome because buyers right now are not able to purchase due to a lot of changes like the stress test we've talked about in previous videos. But we've got a lot of increase in rents going up because our vacancy is very, very low. With all of these changes pushing buyers out of the market, it's pushing them back into the rental market, which is putting that pressure on rents to rise. So with property values coming down and rents on the rise, we're seeing the cash flow zone starting to increase. We used to say you had to go out to all like Chilliwack to invest. Now we got a great project here in Chilliwack we're talking about, but at the same time we're finding cash flow getting closer and closer and closer to Vancouver. So that's why now is a great time to be locking in some awesome cash flow properties that you're going to be holding for the long term. And that's what we're here to share at the Keyspire Real Estate Summit here in Niagara Falls. Again, 500 investors now realizing that Vancouver is prime time to invest. So if you've been watching this channel for a while, I suggest maybe you reach out to us, let us know so we can help you get into Vancouver. Now, not only have we seen a lot of the buyers that were trying to get in now having to go back to renting because of things like the stress test or increased taxes, we've also noticed that there's been a significant increase in immigration still. We have a ton of people that are moving into the Lower Mainland, whether they're coming from other countries or maybe they're coming from other provinces. Like we've seen a lot of Albertans coming over because Alberta's economy has been a little tough. So with that, that's putting a lot of increase because when someone's moving into an area for the very first time, well, the first thing they're gonna do is likely find a place to rent before they actually buy. Because they want to get to know the different areas. They want to get to see what, Vancouver's like or Maple Ridge is like. They want to test it out. Maybe they want to move around for the first couple of years until they're settled on where they want to be. Again, putting more and more pressure on that vacancy rate because as the vacancy keeps staying low, we're going to again see more rise on that rental rate. So again, if you've been thinking about investing, now's the time to do so. Like between, buyers not able to buy, increased immigration and prices coming down, the cash flow zones, as I mentioned, are expanding quite a bit. Again, making that investment opportunity prime. Now, we're not talking about short-term deals. Now, you can still do short-term deals like quick flips and things like that. But at the end of the day, there's also a lot of opportunity if you want to get into just buy, rent, and hold. Sit on that cash flow, sit on the properties for 5 to 10 years, let the market do its thing, because you're investing for two primary reasons. The first reason is cash flow. At the end of the day, that's what's going to keep your property going. If you've got a good, strong cash flow, you know you're going to be protected in the market. Second is you're going to have equity being built. When you have equity, well, that's your tenant paying down that mortgage. And at the end of the day, that loan, well, hey, you're not paying it, that's money in your pocket. So those are the two fundamentals you should be investing for right now in the Lower Mainland. Then again, as the market starts changing, we start seeing buyers getting back into the market. All those people who moved in and have rented for a few years now getting into the purchasing, we'll start to see that property value increase again. You're gonna get that appreciation eventually, but again, you're investing for two primary fundamentals. All right, so I realized as I'm editing this video here, I didn't really film anymore for that trip. So I just wanted to jump in here and quickly finish it off. Again, Vancouver is prime, ready to go for you to invest. There's lots of opportunity out there. So make sure you guys jump all over it. That's it for this video here. So don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.